So dead that we're allowed to use Lightning Lane. Maybe just like I rode Space Mountain when it reopened freshly. One.
the more you earn. And if and when you are
Gummy Pilot just wanted to put on a show.
Okay, yeah, we'll have you just be your own ship, okay?
Trick shot. Trick shot for POV. Put it on a show.
Cool. Creator checklist should be coming by soon. Other than that, you're all set.
See you later, Ben. All right. Is there anyone with you?
Nah.
No, you're all alone? That's okay. One is not the loneliest number. What color do you like?
Oh yeah, purple.
Purple? All right, that's what's up. All right, sir. You have a good flight, okay? No fist bump? That's okay. There you go. Thank you.
Welcome in. What flight color for you, sir?
I chosen purple.
Alright. You said purple?
Yeah.